Hi, it's Angie. Have you heard the rumour that the DWP will freeze all pension payments on the 14th of October 2025 if your details aren't perfect? Stop. That rumour is spreading fear, but there is a real issue underneath that could delay your money if you're not prepared. So today we're cutting through the clickbait. I'll bust the pension freeze myth, explain the real DWP changes for 2025 and give you the 3 urgent checks that you should do this week to keep your retirement income arriving safely and on time. This isn't panic, it's power. Let's make sure your pension keeps landing every month. And remember what I always say, knowledge is our power. In part 1, we're going to look at the real danger. What is actually changing and where I'll explain the truth behind the rumour. The DWP is tightening security to fight fraud. That's what's behind it. And this is where delays can happen if your details don't match. Here are the key updates that you need to know. Number 1, bank detail matching will be stricter. The DWP is expanding the use of confirmation of payees. If your name, sort code or account number don't exactly match your bank's records, a payment can be flagged and delayed until it's fixed. Number 2, cheques are being phased out. If you're still waiting for a paper cheque, it's slower and less secure. It's much safer to switch to direct bank transfer now. Electronic payments, you see, are traceable and protected. And number 3, beware of the change of status trap. If you're married, divorced, moved home or changed your name but only told your bank and not the DWP or your pension provider, your payments could be paused until the records match. And number 4, about overseas claims. If you're living abroad, expect tougher, more frequent ID checks. There's no single cut-off day, but keeping your documents up to date avoids long delays. In part 2, we're going to dispel the myths and stop the panic spreading rumours. So let's kill the headlines doing the rounds. This is myth number 1, the October pension freeze. Just know there is no official DWP announcement to freeze all pensions on the 14th of October 2025. It's fear-mongering. Myth number 2, about WASPI payouts. There is no automatic 2,950 WASPI confirmation confirmed for October, I'm afraid. That review is still ongoing. Yeah. And myth number 3, DWP controls all your money. No. The DWP only controls state pensions and benefits. Your private and workplace pensions are separate, regulated pots. In part 3, let's look at the good news, shall we, and some money boosts for 2025-26, because there are some good news to balance all these headlines that we feel might be myths. Number 1 is the triple lock win, because the full new state pension is expected to rise from April 2026 based on current earnings forecasts. Number 2, boost your pension. You can still buy missing NI national insurance years to increase your weekly state pension for life. Just know that there are some wonderful free guidance services out there like Money Helper and Pension Wise, which give free, impartial help with drawing your private savings in a tax-smart way. In part 4, we're going to look at the 7-step payment security checklist. And this 7-point security checklist is to make sure your DWP and pension payments keep arriving safely. The 3 urgent checks for you to make, hopefully this week, are: number 1, exact match test. So what you do is log into your DWP or gov.uk account, that's gov.uk account, check your name, your sort code and your bank account number, that they exactly match your bank. Even a hyphen or middle name difference can cause a delay. And do update if you've married, divorced or moved. Number 2, perhaps now is the time to stop using those checks. If you're still getting a paper check, call the DWP or your provider and switch to direct bank transfer. It's faster, trackable and far safer. And number 3, build a fraud wall for your own protection. The DWP will never call or email asking for your full bank details, so never respond to anything that comes through by email or even by text. Never reply to those. Turn on 2-factor authentication for your online banking. Consider a free credit file freeze with Experian or Equifax to block scammers opening accounts in your name. That's Experian, Experian, or Equifax, Equifax. And that's to block scammers opening accounts in your name. And here are 4 bonus boosts to add to the 3 urgent ones that make your 7 points to note. Number 1, maximise your forecast. Check your state pension forecast on gov.uk, that's G-O-V, capitals, dot, and then capitals UK, gov.uk, all in capitals. Consider topping up missing NI years if it pays off. And 2, audit your private savings. Do review your fees and performance of any workplace or personal pensions. Diversify with ISAs or bonds if needed. 3, get free advice. Use Money Helper for planning tools and Pension Wise. You get free 50-minute guidance if you're 50 plus before making any big decisions. It's a wonderful service. And 4, have an annual security day. Perhaps on your birthday, schedule a yearly check. Update your details, review savings and nominate who should inherit your pension pot, because it helps avoid inheritance tax shocks. So the truth, there is no sudden 14th of October freeze. Please don't worry about it. But the DWP's stronger checks mean mistakes in your details can delay payments. So do make sure everything is accurate and hunky-dory. Act now. Do the 7-point checklist I gave you. stay scam aware, and use trusted help like gov.uk, Money Helper and PensionWise. If this video eased your worry or you fixed an error today, share it in the comments. If you have a great tip, add it below. It could help someone else. And please do share this video with anyone over 50. Let's keep all UK pensioners safe, informed and financially confident. This is Angie, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye for now.